Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're giving very much, I don't know what we're giving. We're giving like a Hispanic vibe today because the bangs, the curls, like it's giving, okay? It's giving, maybe it's giving Selena. I think that's what it's giving. So yeah, today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair. They did send over to me this new product that they have, this bang wig, which I think is bomb. It is a 13x4 wig, so you can part it if you want to. You can wear it glue, you can glue it or you can wear it glueless. What? It has an elastic band, so you can definitely do a glueless. This wig, I feel like it's an essential, girl. For the collection, having a bang unit is essential, and we're on the spring and summertime, and I feel like the light bangs is so eerie. I feel like it'll look really nice with a sundress, so it's definitely on season, that's the word. But yeah guys, if you want to see how I achieved this, then you should definitely keep on watching. Shout outs to Luvme Hair for sponsoring another hair video. Okay guys, so today's unit is from Luvme Hair, and it comes in this, this little bag that they always send you. I have my box here. I got some free gifts. I got wig caps, a little packaging, and this has a scarf and little, hair accessories that you could definitely use, and also a headband. Yeah, it is a headband, but that's literally what comes in there, and also a instruction packet. This hair is pretty simple, guys. It is a bang unit, and I do believe there's lace on in the front, and it's also a curly unit. I will leave all the specs of this hair below, but yeah, it is a lace frontal. It does come with an elastic band and also adjustable straps, as well as combs inside your unit. I will be using like my Got To Be Free spray just to temporarily hold it, because I'm not going to keep it on that long, but just to like hold it for the purposes of this video, I will use my Got To Be Free spray. Let's try the unit on so we can see what we're working with. Right off the bat, she's not giving, but that comes with the styling. So I will just spray the hair down in the front, and I'm gonna remove these combs because it's bothering me. So I'm gonna remove my combs, spray everything down, and then we're gonna work on the bangs and we're gonna curl it, and I promise you it's not gonna look like this when I'm done.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself, and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get me, she loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Get like this. Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about.
So guys, this is my finished look. So about the hair, I love the very wispy bangs. That's what I call them, the really light bangs. It's not heavy like usual bang units, and I love that for the summertime. It's really the springtime right now. I feel like this is such a spring look, a spring summer wig, and I'll definitely be wearing this with a cute sundress. This hair, to me, it'll suit like almost any face because they send the bangs longer, I think, on purpose. So once you fit it to your head shape, you have to like snip and like get it together how you want it. I like how it turned out. I love like some really wispy bangs. The only thing is I seem to have a separated space right there, like a part down the center, and that's my fault because I kept pushing it back down the middle, so it kind of created a split down my bangs. But other than that, I feel like it's so cute. The density is perfect. It's giving very much natural, believable. Girl, I'm not gonna lie, when I just took this out of the packaging, I was scared because it looked a little crazy, but look at us now. It looks so good. You cannot take this out of the package and wear it. I feel like you have to take it out, trim it to your face, and use your hot comb, use your styler, and get her tamed. But once it's tamed, you're good to go. You can wear this as a glueless unit. It does have an elastic band, which I love. So the next time I have to pop out and my hair looks crazy, I'm just gonna put it on and go. I love having a band unit in my collection because it's good for bad hair days. It's good for days when you just need to go and it's just like quick. If you have somewhere to be, you look a mess, you put your bang wig on, they can't even tell like what's under there. So I love that. But yeah guys, if you like this hair, be sure to check out the description for all the information. Shout outs to Luvme Hair for sponsoring yet another hair video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I feel like I'm not in the center, but oh my god, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.